There is a place on our planet so immense and breathtaking it seems to touch the heavens, the Himalayas. This is not just a collection of mountains, but a world unto itself, stretching across Asia. Here, the air is thin and crisp, carrying ancient whispers of the wind. We invite you on a journey to the roof of the world, not to conquer, but to quietly observe and appreciate nature's masterpiece. Imagine standing where the world feels brand new, freshly sculpted by unimaginable forces. The silence is profound, broken only by the flutter of prayer flags or a distant bird's call. These are the youngest and tallest mountains on Earth, born from a colossal collision of continents. Their story is written in layers of rock and ice, a testament to Earth's dynamic nature. The Himalayas are guardians of ancient secrets and providers of life-giving water to billions. As we venture deeper, the sheer scale of sky, mountain, and valley puts our own existence into perspective. The Himalayas are not just a destination, they are a presence to be felt, a reminder of the wild beauty that still exists on our planet. The Himalayas are a world of dramatic contrasts, where snow-clad peaks meet lush valleys. High above, the peaks are eternally blanketed in pristine snow and ice, silent, watchful giants. Yet, this very ice feeds the great rivers that nurture civilizations below. Descending from the summits, the landscape transforms. Harsh rock gives way to green valleys, alive with wildflowers and clear rivers. Dense forests of pine and rhododendron burst into color each spring, filling the air with fragrance. These forests are vital ecosystems, home to a diverse array of creatures. One moment, you gaze at a colossal glacier. The next, you rest by a tranquil turquoise lake. The interplay of ice, water, rock, and vegetation makes the Himalayas endlessly fascinating. It is a dynamic world shaped by nature's power and serene beauty. Among all the giants, one stands supreme, Mount Everest. Known as Chomolungma to Tibetans and Sagarmatha to Nepalese, it rises 8,848 meters above sea level, the highest point on Earth. Its summit pierces the jet stream, where air is thin and weather fierce. Everest's presence is overwhelming, a massive pyramid of rock and ice, a solitary monarch above the clouds. At dawn, its summit glows pink and gold, a daily spectacle of nature's grandeur. For decades, climbers have tested themselves here, drawn by the ultimate challenge. But Everest is more than a climber's dream. It's a natural laboratory, revealing secrets of climate and geology. Simply witnessing its iconic peak is a humbling experience. Everest stands as a symbol of nature's raw power and enduring majesty. The high Himalayas are among the most challenging environments on Earth: cold, thin air, and rugged terrain. Yet life thrives here. The elusive snow leopard with its camouflaged coat moves like a ghost among the rocks. Yaks, sturdy and resilient, are lifelines for mountain people, adapted to the harshest conditions. Wild yaks still roam remote plateaus, symbols of the untamed Himalayas. In the skies, the lammergeier, or bearded vulture, soars, feeding on bone marrow, a marvel of adaptation. From the tiny pika to the Himalayan blue sheep, each species has carved out its niche. The ecosystem is a web of interdependence, full of resilience and wonder. The wildlife of the Himalayas reminds us that life can flourish in even the most extreme places. The Himalayas are not just wilderness, they are home. For centuries, resilient people have built lives here, creating cultures as unique as the landscape. The Sherpa of Nepal, famed for their strength and mountaineering skill, hold the mountains sacred. Monasteries dot the slopes, centers of Buddhist culture, their chants echoing through the valleys. Villages cling to the hillsides with terraced fields and stone houses built to withstand the elements. Life follows the rhythm of the seasons, and community is essential for survival. These cultures preserve ancient wisdom about living in harmony with nature. Their way of life is a lesson in resilience, simplicity, and deep connection to the land. Beyond the peaks and challenges, the Himalayas offer moments of profound peace. Imagine sitting by a high-altitude lake, its turquoise waters mirroring the sky and mountains. In the forests, sunlight filters through pines, and the only sounds are wind and birdsong. Walking here is a meditative experience, a chance to be present and still. Sunrise over the peaks is magical. The first light-setting summits ablaze with gold. These moments of tranquility are as much a part of the Himalayas as the mountains themselves. They invite us to pause, breathe deeply, and appreciate the quiet wonders of nature. In these moments, we feel the true spirit of the Himalayas, peaceful, resilient, and timeless. The Himalayas are a global treasure, shaping lives and environments far beyond their borders. Known as the Third Pole, their glaciers hold the largest reserve of fresh water outside the polar regions. These waters feed Asia's great rivers, sustaining nearly 2 billion people. The mountains regulate weather patterns, influence monsoons, and affect global climate. But their glaciers are melting rapidly, threatening water supplies and weather stability. The Himalayas are also a sanctuary of biodiversity, home to unique plants and animals. Protecting them means preserving entire ecosystems vital to our planet's health. They inspire awe and humility, reminding us of our responsibility to protect nature's wonders. The Himalayas are a gift to us all, a legacy to cherish and preserve for generations to come.